Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to offer 4 tips that you can use that's going to help you look put together and to help you look the part as a busy mother and entrepreneur. So if you're interested in that, please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Amber, aka the Sassy Entrepreneur here. In this video, I want to offer 4 tips that you can use that's going to help you look the part and look put together as a busy mother and entrepreneur. Now, if you do not know, I am a busy mother and entrepreneur, and one of the things that I know that can be challenging because life is so busy, running a business, kids and schoolwork and all sorts of things, it can be hard to look put together. So I wanted to offer 4 tips that you can use. It's going to help you look the part and look put together. So I know as a busy mother and entrepreneur, you don't have a lot of time. I wanted to offer these 4 tips because I feel like these 4 tips are very, very important when it comes to looking the part or looking put together. Because these 4 tips are going to make a huge difference in how you present yourself to the world. Especially if you have a business and you have meetings to go to and different things, you definitely want to present yourself in a presentable way. These 4 tips are going to help you look the part, but also are not going to take so much time, but they're also easy and convenient for you. Tip number 1 is to invest in dresses. Okay, I know this is a weird one, but for me personally, I hate picking out clothes. And by the time I get to the point where I need to pick out clothes to present myself to the world, I don't feel like it. I'm just gonna be honest. I don't feel like having to pair things together or match things together, whether it's pants, a skirt, a shirt, whatever. I don't like it. I mean, I just would rather just put something on real quick that looks put together. And dresses are a great way to do that because they're one piece, first of all, and it's a great way to just look put together. And they're super easy. For me personally, I like to invest in dresses because they are simple, easy, and just something that you can just put on real quick and get out the door and look put together. So tip number 1, invest in dresses. So tip number 2 is invest in lashes, girlfriend. I swear to you, the best thing that I ever did for myself is invest in lashes. And you were like, what? But yes, lashes will change your whole look, and they're super simple. All you have to do is pop those things on your eyes. I'm serious. So lashes are just a great investment in your overall appearance. Not only do they add to your overall look, but honestly, they make you look alive and awake. And if you're like sleep deprived and all sorts of things and you just want to look awake really quick, lashes, girlfriend, will do that for you. I mean, when I invested in my first pair of like good lashes, Lily lashes, by the way, Lily lashes. But when I invested in my first pair of good lashes, changed the whole game for me. Honestly, for me, I just pop on some lashes real quick and go out the door. And I look really put together because lashes can do that for you. And not only that, they make you look awake and alive. And sometimes, especially like with me and I'm like sleep deprived, I really need that. So a good pair of lashes, a great easy way, once you get the technique down, is an easy way for you to just pop them on real quick and run out the door. You look put together, you look presentable. Just an easy, quick way to look put together. So tip number 3 to look put together and to look the part when you're an entrepreneur and a mom is to get makeup that serves the skin. Now, if you know me, I have my own cosmetic line, Magical Beauty, that we offer finishing powders that have pearl powder in them that create a great look to your makeup and to your bare skin as well, your face as well. That is easy and convenient, but it also serves the skin. So one of the things that I found myself that was taking up a lot of time is that I had to do my skincare routine and then my makeup routine to look presentable. And one of the things that I had to cut down was preparing myself to present myself to the world is that I had to figure out a way to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. And so that's why I even created the line. So anytime that you can get makeup that actually serves as skincare as well. So I personally, obviously, wear my own line, Magical Beauty of setting powders, where it serves the skin as well as present a flawless finish, in my opinion. but also there are great products out there other than Magical Beauty that serves as skincare and makeup at the same time. So anytime that you can kill two birds with one stone with your skincare and your makeup is a great way to look presentable, look the part, and get out the door. And for tip number 4 is to invest in a good pair of earrings. Earrings can really change your whole look and make you look presentable. Honestly, I love jewelry, but I don't spend time on necklaces or bracelets because to me, the earrings are what's going to change your overall appearance. And so anytime that you can invest in a good pair of earrings, that is a great way, quick, when you don't have a lot of time, is to pop on some earrings real quick. That's going to make you look presentable and look the part. That's all I have for this video. I hope you found these 4 tips on how you can look the part and present yourself to the world as a busy mom and entrepreneur helpful. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on life, entrepreneurship, motherhood, all sorts of things. It is my joy to create these kind of videos, so I would love for you to be part of the community and subscribe to my channel. If you're not already, please follow me on Instagram at Amber, the Sassy Entrepreneur. You love how I say the Sassy Entrepreneur, like the Ohio State University. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all I have for today. I will check you in the next video. Peace.